Okay, take this thing out of here. So much for our test bar. It used to be a lot bigger before I was done testing. Alright, let's get our distributor in here. And we're going to hold this on the OD here with a chuck. And then hold it out here and then turn this down here. Try to get it round and true. See how good that works. Chips in a chuck. Okay, that'll work that way. Take this out. Put our drill chuck in. Goes on a taper, so you can go enough far up the taper to dig in. It digs in. Chuck that right on the end right here. Not on a dowel pin though. Or I got a roll pin in here. Don't chuck on that. Between the roll pin. Okay. Not very true. Bring it down a little bit. Try to center it a little bit here. Alright, see how close it is. Not too bad. So that's chuck is on that. It's not rotating. But the shaft in the middle is rotating inside the housing just like the motor is running. So it's self-supported. So we have bushing clearance in here, which is going to affect our diameter a little bit. The rest of it looks pretty smooth. Alright, so we're going to turn this a little bit. We're just making little tools all we're doing out of this thing. It's already a worn out piece of crap. See a little bit maybe. Just past 6.5 down here. Buddy. Not cutting, it's rubbing. Not sure what's going on with that. Thought I had this set good. That looks good to me. Maybe it's hitting on a gear in there. I'm not sure what's going on. Cock a little bit further. Getting there far enough now. Don't want to cut, that's for sure. Let's make it pass, see what happens. cut as good as that material down there. It's a lot harder. Gummy material here. Just made a big change of diameter right there. Good cutting. That is terrible finish. And where's our 0 at? Somewhere over there, I don't know, 20. Oh, this thing's got a tremendous amount of taper in it. Boy, that's terrible. Why is that doing that? We had this with 1 thou and 8 inches, and we can't keep 5 thou and 3.5 inches here. I don't know what the hell's going on. There's something weird going on. This material does not want to cut, I know that. Does not want to cut. Alright. Try cutting the other way. Might be a bushing, loose bushing down here might be doing that. Could be. Fourth out. Good until we got to here. It's pretty crap. Alright. This is pretty smooth until we get to here, and it gets real rough right through here. It gets bigger too. Feel it. Here's the other mic at. Definitely a change in material there. Okay, there's our 15 right there. So it's even harder to read. There we are, 14, 15. 15 3/4. Then it bumps way up, 17-ish. It just keeps going up and up and up as the further we go over. The more we go over, the more it goes up. So way over here, it's at 19.5 toward the end. That's my cutting consistent, huh? I bet you this bushing's loose and it's wobbling. That'd be my guess. Alright, we got to cheat. I'm going to try cutting it more as I go in deeper. Need to get it kind of straight so I can do something with it. 19, 17 3/4, 16.5 there. What do we got down here? Oh, it's real small down there. 14, 15. This is not true at all. Not even remotely close. I spent a week trying to get the lathe to cut straight. I know the lathe is dialed in, but obviously this chuck way out here, it ain't dialed in for nothing. Well, we got a really loose bushing here. Material definitely does not want to cut. Makes it hard to make a tool. Alright, and we're gonna... And that does not want to work. And that finish is terrible. Okay, I cheated. 14, 14 and a half, 15, 14 and 3/4, 15 and a quarter, and it jumps in, goes to 13 and a half, 13 and a half, and 13 and a half. Yeah, actually it's probably lower than that down here at the end. Yeah, down at 12. Biggest is right there. 14 down there. I'm like cheating to make it work, huh? Smallest there, tightest here. I'm going to try cutting a little extra here, a little thou or so. Go a little bit, measure it, go a little bit, measure it. Make adjustments as I go. 13. Back off the pressure a little bit. Still. 12 3/4. Back off the pressure some more. Finish it at 12 1/3. Real tight right there. Real tight, and it drops instantly down. Okay, so we're separating that one little spot. We're pretty good. Go down here and see about making that less. Cheating by overcutting. hard right there. That's how you cheat. Piece of crap. It's all about what you get for ring results. So right here, you see how it stays about the same as we go down. Even though I got 15 different diameters here. Tight spot right there. See, it's not very flat. And we work our way all the way down the end down here. So there you go. Not very good.